Hello, my most fabulous art friends. This week, we are reviewing lines, shapes, and colors. Lines, shapes, and colors are used to make everything in the world around us. We use them in art too. So I hope that everyone listened to the book, When a Line Bends, a Shape Begin, which just shows us a little bit how lines and shapes make up our whole world. Today, we're going to create a line, shape, and color dictionary. A dictionary is a reference tool that we can look back on when we need to find information. Our dictionary will include the different lines and shapes used in art, as well as some basic colors and how they mix together. So grab a paper and a pencil and follow along. First, I have the lines. And to make this easier, I've already created them for us. Up here at the top, we have the horizontal line. This line goes from side to side. The vertical line goes up and down. The diagonal line goes on a slant from corner to corner. The spiral line goes around in a circle, kind of like a seashell. The bumpy line looks like bumps going up and down. And the wavy line looks like bumps on a slant, kind of like the waves in the ocean. The zigzag line also goes up and down, but ends in a point each time. The loopy line, or sometimes called the curly line, looks like curly hair. The castle line looks like the top of a castle. And we have the dashed and the dotted line, lines made of dashes and dots. If you need to copy this still, please pause the video so you can see all of the lines and their names. Moving right along, here we have our shapes. We have the square, the rectangle, triangle, and the trapezoid. The circle, the long stretched out circle becomes an oval. And when I cut a circle in half, it becomes a semicircle. The rhombus looks similar to a diamond, but it's not a diamond. And the parallelogram, it's kind of like a square that we kind of just pushed over. I have the pentagon, which has 5 sides, the hexagon, which has 6 sides, and the octagon, which has 8 sides. Please take a moment to copy the shapes and their names. Now we're going to move forward into colors. There are 3 primary colors. Please remember that primary colors are colors that are made from earth. They're natural. And using these 3 colors, we can make many other colors. So the 3 primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. I'm going to write that right up here. When I add 2 primary colors together, they create a secondary color. So when I add red and yellow, they make orange. When I mix red and blue, they make the color violet or purple. And when I mix colors blue and yellow, they make green. These 3 colors are our secondary colors. There are three neutral colors. Oops, excuse Miss Fontaine. There are four. And those colors are black, gray. If you have a gray, you can use your black very lightly, and it creates a gray kind of color. White, which is not going to show up on white paper, but we're still going to make a dot there for it. And brown. Using these colors, those shapes, and those lines, we can create great art.